Hey, I'm Matt with 731 Woodworks. Thank you for coming back. This is a vlog. I'm going to try to throw some of these in my channel here. I want to know if you have a shop dog or a cat. I know a lot of people like dogs and cats in their shops. So I want to introduce you to our newest shop dog. Also, drop a comment below and let me know who your shop dog is, the name, and then what type of shop dog you got, or cat if you're into cats. Lizards, birds, whatever you got in your shop. I know sometimes I get some shop hummingbirds in here, they get stuck, but I have to try to shoo them out. But if you have a shop dog, let me know, I want to know, or a cat. Drop a comment. Zeus is really the only shop dog I have. He's a standard poodle that actually wants to stay in the shop. The other two are Italian Greyhounds. They don't really like outside when it's cold, so most of the time they're inside, or when it's really hot, they don't like it. So they have really thin hair, so they don't really like staying outside. Zeus is a standard poodle. He has huge fluffy hair if you don't keep him cut, but he doesn't care if it's hot or cold. He wants to be outside. He likes to be out here, and he'll lay back here on these steps and just watch me for hours. He just likes to be around. He's kind of my sidekick. And then, but the Italian Greyhounds like it outside if it's kind of warm, or if it's cool and the sun is warm. They like to lay around in the sun. They're an interesting breed. The poodle is a extremely loyal breed. I don't know if you have ever had a poodle or not. A standard poodle. He's about 65, 70 pounds. At one time he was up to almost 90 pounds. And we had a girl poodle, a standard poodle, and we lost her. And then he grieved himself down to almost 50 pounds. We almost lost him because he grieved her so much. And we had her when he came as a puppy, so she was like a mama to him. So that was hard on him and everybody else. And so we had Koda, our Italian Greyhound, and he's one of the sweetest dogs you ever meet. He likes to hug on you, and he likes to roughhouse a little bit with me, but for the most part, he's a hugger. And then we got Charlie, who I want to introduce you to next. She's a little spitfire now. She's not like Koda. Koda's always real calm, tame, and she has a lot of energy. She likes to bite, playing and stuff like that, but she doesn't realize how hard she's biting. She's only about 12 weeks old right now, maybe almost close to 13. But she can get you. And she'll rip your skin open if you're not careful. She doesn't realize how hard she's biting, how sharp her teeth are. So they all have their own individual personalities. It's really interesting to watch them and to learn them and be around them to see how different they really are. Even the same breeds, Sasha and Zeus are two standard poodles. They were totally different. Sasha was, she was always wanted to be with my wife. She was her shadow, we called her, because she followed her everywhere. And she was like really, a little nervous acting all the time. And then Zeus, he doesn't care. He's lazy. He doesn't want to do anything. He grumps when he has to lay down or get up. He goes, roar. So they're really interesting. Their differences are really interesting. And then Koda and Charlie are totally different. Koda's more of a laid back, kind of almost lazy. And then she's like, wants to go. She opens her eyes and she's going. And then she crashes like a toddler. She'll be running and playing, and then all of a sudden you look over and she's asleep. But they're really fun to have. We love our dogs. We're dog people. We love them like family. And we treat them like family. But anyway, I'd like to know what kind of pets you have. Just let me know. Hey, I just want to take a minute to welcome Charlie, the newest addition to the shop. She's an Italian Greyhound. She's 11 weeks old, and she's a little bit of a daddy's girl. She likes to be held. And she looks sweet right now, but she'll bite the out of you. But she's a third pup. We've got Zeus, the standard poodle. You've probably seen him in some of the videos. Koda's another Italian Greyhound. He's 5. And then Charlie's our newest baby to the shop. She has a little special needs. Her right rear leg, it doesn't function like the other ones. She holds it up. They call it a frozen leg. One of these joints doesn't actually move. So she's basically 3-leg dog. She has a little bit of balance issues, but she don't bite my mic. She doesn't act like she's special needs. She can rip and romp with the rest of them. Weighs a little bit of nothing, and she requires a lot of attention. She likes to be held, as you can see, and so that's gonna damper the shop time a little bit. That's okay. I want to know what you think about Charlie. Drop the comments below. Let me know what you think about the newest addition.
Fight off 1,000 monsters. hiding in the sands on Mars. Hijack a flying saucer, steady on the hand. Fly home, sweet home, where the saucers go to get all cleaned up.